What do you have?
A loose tooth.
Let me see. Wiggle it for me. Oh my gosh. Here, look at your fingers so Mama can see. Wait, here. This one right here. Oh my gosh. Isaac, are you excited?
Yeah.
Why are you so excited?
You got all these things?
It's gonna fall out, you know. Is that good? Why is that good?
I get money.
You get money, but then you got a hole in your mouth.
That's okay.
It's okay. Is that a good tooth though? What if the tooth fairy only gives you a penny for that tooth?
No, she won't.
How do you know?
Just know.
Why?
I brush it clean.
Oh, you did? Okay. You get a nickel then.
No, I get $1.
You think so? I don't know.
But Maddie got $20.
What? No. I don't think your teeth is worth 20. But I'm so excited for you. You gave me a big boy. You're so excited, huh? Does it hurt?
No.
No?
No.
Good. You're
It tickles.
It tickles? Aw, I'm excited for you, honey. You're so